Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my origami Among Us crewmate. Here it is. I heard it was made a few years ago, like around 2018, but it's popular right now, so everyone's making it, and people requested that I make one too, and yeah. I don't know if, yeah, I made this up, but I don't know if people made it this way yet. I didn't find any. So yeah, I'm watching guys, okay? I'm watching guys. So yeah, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So yeah. So first you're gonna start out with a square sheet of paper, of course, and you wanna make a boat base. Okay, so I'm gonna first fold a water bomb base, then sink the top of it to make the boat base. So you want to fold it in half like this, right? And you want to fold it in half again, like so. Then you want to open up this pocket right here on top and fold that down like so. And you want to flip it over and lift this up. Then you want to do the same thing and open up this pocket. Then you want to fold that down like so. Okay, and now you want this triangle, this tip right here, to the bottom of, or the other edge. Okay, so you want that corner, this point, and you want to fold it in half to the other side, and make sure it lines up with the center as well. Okay, and make a good crease right here, because you're going to be sinking this triangle right here. So okay, now open it. Now open the whole model like that. So it's all opened up, and now you see this little square in the middle right here. You're going to sink it in. So yeah, you're going to fold up all the sides, okay, all the crease line up. So mountain fold like this, and you're going to do that for the rest of the sides. Okay, like that. Then you're going to push in the middle, and you see all these crease lines. You're going to fold it back to normal, or you can, if it's like this, then you can first fold it in half and kind of drag this down like that. Okay, okay, so make sure you have it like this, okay, or if you don't have it like this, then it will be the other side. Okay, so make sure it's in the right direction, and if you have it the other way, the visor, everything will face the other way. So this is going to be the front, and this is going to be the back. Okay, so if you're doing it the other way, so just make sure. Okay, the long side is the front, and the short side is the back. Okay, now you see this corner right here. You want that to fold that up to that center line right there. Okay, so bring that corner right on to the center line. Okay, And now fold this triangle up like so. Then you want to open up this pocket right here. Then you want to fold that down. Okay, this is going to be the visor. And now you want that corner to touch this edge right there. Like so. And you want these two corners right here to also touch the center right there. Okay, you see that crease line in the center? You want that triangle and you want to fold that up to the center. Okay, and make sure it's parallel. And now you want to fold up these corners right here in the front. And now you see this back corner right here, you want to also fold that inside. Okay, like that. Then you see these corners right here, up here, you want to fold these corners back to make the head. And now you see this piece up here, you want to fold this triangle inside, so you want to make a crease. I'm going to pre-crease it like so. I don't know, I was gonna make like a hand with it, but it just became a stand, so you're gonna have a stand in the back. Okay, so I pre-creased it like so, where this corner is. Then you're going to fold in this triangle inside. So open up this pocket right here. Then you want to just fold that inside like that. Okay, and fold this back. And now you see this front piece right here. You want to do the same thing and fold in this triangle. So I'm going to pre-crease it like so. So first make a crease if you want to, and open up this pocket right here and fold this in like so. Okay, and now for the pack, you want to fold this triangle out, so the one in the middle, want to flip it over and fold this triangle over like so. Okay, so you have this, and now you see this triangle, you want to fold it about third way. So you want, okay, so if you fold it like this, you want the corner, length of the corner to match with the one outside. Okay, so that's around middle. Okay, then you can fold this inside. So open up this pocket and fold that in. And now you see this corner in the bottom right here, you want to also fold that up, fold this whole thing down. And now you're gonna dent out the legs, so you want to push in the edge. So you want to make it straight on top and kind of in a slant in the bottom, or if you can make it straight down, so like this. You see, it's gonna be the legs. So fold it straight straight on top, like that, see? And straight down like that. And here's the legs. So here's my crewmate. So thank you for watching and have a great day.